Alright, so here's the head unit of the concrete vibrator. Doesn't seem very powerful. I have not tried it yet on concrete because I haven't made my steps yet. It's very light. This is my 4 amp hour battery. It comes with only a 2 amp hour battery. But it has controls on here, but I don't think it does anything really. That's it. It sounds like there's something loose in there. Hear that? What is that? Huh, weird. There you go. I cannot get the main part to screw on here properly. I've tried a couple times. I don't know if the threads are not lined up or what. So, it doesn't seem to work because I can't get the dang vibrating, flexing shaft on it. I'll try it again. I mean, very big, heavy-duty hose. It weighs a good 10 pounds at least. Solid metal tip. Man. Alright, let me check out this. Here's the main shackle that connects it. Let me see if I can get it on there. Alright, I finally got it on there. It's reverse thread. Genius. My goodness. Alright, hold on. Switch hands with the camera here. Scare the crap out of the kids. But there is no like throttle control, it's just full bang. There's no start stop. There you go. Is it worth it? I have no idea. The last all day? No idea. But it seems cool. Better than hauling around a cord, considering I have a corded one that looks just like this. So I would take this one. Yeah, why not? There you go. Bam. Hope this helps your decision.